has been delivered today. It looks like it needs to get some kind of turnage in order for me to be able to show you what's in this box. Oh, there we go. Turnage move has been accomplished. All right, so now to the next bit, which is get this amazingly cool box out of the other box. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. So anyway, this is the world famous. Unlike me, it's actually world famous. Everybody knows. I mean, if you're in the RC hobby and you don't know about this plane, then I don't know. Something's awfully wrong. Anyway, this is what they say to be the most amazing plane for beginners. It can be a beginner plane for anybody of any size, of any capacity or ability, because it's got
Likey